Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Forms with AI responses into Sheets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. Create a new form by clicking on the blank form option. Name your form and add necessary fields, such as text boxes and multiple choice questions. Once your form is set up, click on the Responses tab at the top. Here, you will see an option that says Link to Sheets. Click on the green Sheets icon to create a new Google Sheets document. A prompt will appear, asking if you want to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. Choose to create a new spreadsheet and click Create. In your Google Sheets, you will see that the form responses will automatically populate. To enable AI responses, you will need to use Google Apps Script. In Google Sheets, click on Extensions in the top menu. Then, select App Script from the drop-down menu. A new tab will open displaying the script editor. In the script editor, you will see a default function that begins with function myfunction. Delete this code and replace it with a custom function to process the form responses. To use AI responses, you can integrate a simple AI model using an API. Start by defining your API key and endpoint in the script. Then, create a function that sends the input data to the AI service. Handle the response from the AI service within your script. Finally, make sure to log the AI responses in your Google Sheets. Once your script is complete, click on the disk icon to save it. Go back to your Google Sheets and set a trigger for your script. Click on the clock icon in the Apps Script Editor to open the Triggers menu. Select Add Trigger and choose your function from the drop-down. Set the event type to OnForm Submit to ensure the script runs automatically. Save your trigger settings. Now, whenever a user submits a response in Google Forms, your AI model will process it. The AI response will then be recorded in your Google Sheets alongside the original input. You have successfully set up Google Forms with AI responses into Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.